Thank you. Welcome to this talk. My name is Xu. I am a scientist from Stanford University and the founder of Stork. Today, my main topic is about using AI to write scientific papers and a demonstration of a tool we created called AI Creative Abstract. First, a brief introduction of Stork. It is a website providing tools for researchers, and the website is here. Feel free to check it out. It includes features such as new publication alert based on your own keywords. This feature is free, and it also provides a suite of apps for researchers. For example, Big Analysis will summarize a field based on thousands of papers, give you graphs, so you can understand a field in a few minutes. AI Creative Abstract, and this is what we will talk about today. In the past few years, AI has made a lot of impressive progress. For example, it can play Go, beating professional human players. It can diagnose skin cancer with better accuracy than doctors. But can it write scientific papers? It sounds a very difficult problem. But actually, as early as 2005, there is a website called SCIGene under MIT's website. It can generate a full paper in the field of computer science. But the paper is random paper because what you input here is only your author, your name. You do not enter a topic, so it is a random paper. The quality is actually good. Some people use the paper to submit to conferences and get accepted. Another website, MathGene, it is similar to SCIGene, but in the field of mathematics. What you input is also your name, and it will generate a random mathematics papers. EssayBot, it is not for academic scientific papers, but if you enter a topic, it can generate an essay. Lastly, there is a SciNote manuscript writer. If you have data in SciNote platform, it can help you to generate a paper. So this is a few apps which can write papers, some for fun, some for real usage. So let's compare them. First one, SCIGene. The field is only for computer science. The input is basically nothing except for your name. The output is a full paper, but because you input nothing, basically it's a random paper. The value is usually just for fun. MathGene is similar, but in the field of mathematics. The input is also just name, output full paper, also for fun. EssayBot is not for academic, it's more for general public. The input is topic. For example, you can enter a sentence, and the output is an essay. I tried some academic topics. It does not work very well, so it is for non-academic writers. SciNote manuscript writer, it is mainly for life science. The input is complex. It's not just a few keywords, a sentence. First, you need to use SciNote to store your data, your lab note, etc. And then this app will help you to write the paper. I have not used the app, so I do not know the quality. Lastly, it is AI Creative Abstract. It is by Stork. It is for all fields, all academic fields, including life science, medicine, physics, philosophy, any scientific fields you can think of. The input is title or a few keywords. The output is abstract. The value is mainly to inspire new ideas. So this is an interface of AI Creative Abstract by Stork. You can see that step 1, you enter a title, and this title is in the format of a research paper title. And then if you click Start, it will generate an abstract for you in a few seconds. It provides useful, concrete, and often creative ideas for researchers. And let's see a few examples. This first example, what I input is deception between human and pet dog, an F-Nears hyperscanning study. And then this paragraph, this abstract, is written by AI. So I will give you 30 seconds to read it. Okay, well, I hope you're as impressed as I was. So look at this abstract. First, in terms of language, it is standard English. There's no grammar mistakes. And the logic is pretty clear. It matches what I input, the title, very nicely. And let's look at the content. The first two sentences are introduction. They make sense. Also, the aim of the study, the method, hyperscanning, was used. And also talk about which brain area to study. That's very interesting, very concrete. And also the game, the behavior paradigm to use, a cooperative communicative task in which the dog had to deceive its human partner. And method, and then the result, which brain area is active, etc. And lastly, the significance of this finding. So I find that the content is high quality. I myself, by the way, I am in the field of cognitive neuroscience. I cannot tell if this is written by AI or by a human. Okay, next example. The input is quality of life in children with single ventricle using the pediatric quality of life inventory. So this is what AI write. It has purpose, it has method, and you can see the method is very concrete and detailed. 44 children, age, and what does it do, etc. And also result. Correlation, like even R-square, p-value, etc. But please understand the results are made up by AI. So the AI made up this result based on its massive reading of scientific literature. So it's made up, it's not real, but it can give you some ideas what the result would look like. So these are two examples. Let me give you a real-life demo. Here I am on the website storkapp.me AI paper. Let me enter a title here. So let's say I am interested in what is the brain response of moral judgment using functional MRI. So let me enter the title here, Neural Correlates of Moral Judgment, an fMRI study. Click Study, click Start. Okay. So let's take a look. It says 20 healthy volunteer subjects using functional MRI. What does subject do? Very concrete ideas, like 3 dimensions: harmfulness, impersonal harmfulness and intent to harm, etc. Result, which brain area is activated, the significance of this finding. So I think, yeah, again, the quality of this abstract is pretty high. If I am not satisfied, I can do it again. I click Start again. What it will do is to generate a new version based on the same topic. Okay, this is another version. So if I am still not very happy, I can generate another version. Then, after I generate a few versions, I can compare and maybe pick up the good ones, the good ideas, to formulate my experiment. So the main value of AI creative abstract is that it's not write papers after I do the experiment. Instead, it is when I have a vague idea, I want to brainstorm with an expert, and I want to concretize my idea. How can I do that? Then I enter my idea here. It will generate something very concrete, and I can use some of the ideas to design my experiment and to have expectation of the result. So that's the main value. Okay. So how to access AI paper? This is the URL. We do offer a preview version where you can generate 10 free abstracts. To do that, you need to apply for the preview version. You need to have a Stork account, which is free. We also have full version, unlimited access. It is $12 per month for academic researchers. For any questions, you can contact us in this email. Well, this is my talk. In summary, AI can write high-quality abstract in any scientific field, but it cannot write a full paper yet. But I think the time to write a full paper will come very soon. Well, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please contact me.